Welcome students, myself Arif Asman from MGSS Darbhanga. My dear students, today I want to teach chapter 3 taking care of our environment. Most of the things that around us, air, water, land, planet, plants, animals and humans are part of the earth environment. Our environment must be clean so that we can lead a healthy life. Pollution, the process by which the earth's environment is damaged due to human activities is known as pollution. The harmful materials that cause pollution are called pollutant. There are various types of pollution such as air, water, land and noise pollution. First, air pollution. When harmful gases, dust particles, fumes and smoke are introduced into the air, they cause air pollution. Trees help in removing harmful particles from the air, so cutting down of this leads to increase in air pollution. Polluted air harms human, animals, birds, plants, and other living things as well. Breathing is polluted air can make us sick. Water pollution, when harmful things such as garbage or waste is mixed up with water, it causes water pollution. Polluted water is dirty and impure. It cannot be used for drinking, cooking, or cleaning ourselves. Drinking polluted water can make us sick. Land pollution. We use the land that we live on for farming and also for building houses. It gets polluted due to throwing of garbage and other waste materials. Farmers also use chemical fertilizers in fields, which make the soil less fertile and even unfit for growing crops. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is an unpleasant sound that distracts us. Too much noise that disturb our body and mind is called noise pollution. Horns of vehicles such as trucks, cars and buses, loud music, bursting of crackers and similar activities can cause noise pollution. How can we look after our planet? We must become more aware of the harmful effects of pollution on our planet Earth. Therefore, we should learn the ways to reduce pollution and take care of our environment. That's all.